So what's going on, guys? A couple days have passed since we got the motor, and today I'm actually going to be going over it. Well, going over like what we need to buy for the swap. But the motor, we already went through it, like checked for leaks and everything. Everything's straight. This motor's been fully rebuilt. I'm not sure if I should say where it's from, but we got a really good deal on this motor and we couldn't pass up on it. And yeah, so I had to buy it. Well, my brother had to buy it. So we bought it, and at least we have the most expensive thing out of the way, which is the motor. The motor's one of the most expensive things you can do to get a K-swap in your car, of course. Unless you're going like the cheap route, you know, and get a K20 for like $600 or $500 for a long block. But this motor is a K20 Z3. You guys can see K20 Z3. We need to change this out, so I might get a K-tune throttle body since we're not really using a drive-by-wire. We have a hybrid racing fuel on the way. The person that sold us this motor, they are sending us the hybrid racing fuel rail, so don't worry about that. We already got a fuel rail. Yeah, transmission is the matching trans, and it does have some axle grease on there, but I'm actually going to be cleaning it out right now. Same with all the axle grease right here. And there's a bit of oil because this thing did have a custom oil cooler, so they cut it off and got bungs about it. So you see how these are pinched and welded. So I'm gonna go get the factory one where it's like an arm right here, it goes to a hose right there, and then run this one, or however it goes, but I'm gonna be running the factory one. So I need to buy that new from Honda. And if you guys notice, it does have a lot of Downstar hardware. Now this whole motor is decked out with Downstar hardware. I'm actually planning on removing it, probably not on this side, but I want to remove all the Downstar hardware on this side. So all these little 10 mil bolts, well, they're supposed to be 10 mils and 12s. I'm gonna replace all these because I feel like it's gonna be a hassle later on. And yeah, I just want to replace all this side with regular like 10 mil bolts. Just OEM bolts and stuff. Downstar hardware is cool, but just on this side, I want to change all the OEM. And everything else, like up here, intake manifold, we'll leave all that with Downstar hardware. And I said Downstar so many times, but yeah, this valve cover, we are going to be repainting it, and I just have a B-series oil cap on there for now, just so you know, nothing gets in there. I might just let them use my Osaka JDM one, but today I'm just going to be pulling the motor out over there and cleaning it all up with some brake cleaner and stuff. And yeah, really nice. Cannot wait to install this. This is going to be my first time ever doing a K-swap, helping my brother. It's his first time doing a swap in general because he's never done a swap. So when we do install this motor, we are gonna be very detailed. So, well, detailed of course on the video, but also when I install it. Since I've learned how to do a lot of things when I did this engine bay, I learned a lot from just doing just this car and my other car. So we're gonna do this one really good. I'm gonna pretty much use all the skills that I did on this motor or this engine bay and put onto my brother's car. That's one reason why I tell a lot of people that you should work on your own car, because when you work on your own car, you have the skills and you have this mindset of how to do this and that. Like, you know how to route things, you know how to tuck everything like perfectly. Well, not perfectly, but I mean your way. So that's one thing I'm very happy about with this motor. And I'm just gonna show you guys real quick. So the bottom end is stock. The head is built or semi-built. It's pretty much all valve train and stuff. I know it has the stock cams and everything, and yada yada yada. Come on hardware. There we go. I need to get one more of these. It's missing one. I think I have one in the garage somewhere. But let me pop up that valve cover real quick, show you guys. You can see it does have Super Tech valve train. Very clean. And yeah, so pretty much everything's been done. We are just gonna be, what is it called? Yeah, just clean up the outside. Gotta get a new throttle body, gotta get some shifter cable, got all that. So, oh, also the water neck, they have it, they just didn't put it on, so gotta wait for that. And I need to just change that valve cover. I don't like that blue, it's kind of weird, especially in this car. We might just do like a subtle, like probably gloss black or just black and just keep it simple. Oh, also thank you very much to John Dominguez. I'm very sorry if you're watching this video. I'm very sorry. I forgot your Instagram. I tried to screenshot it. I was trying to look for it so I could put it in my video, but dude, I get so many messages that it's ridiculous. I know a lot of you guys in my Instagram DMs are like, bro, like this dude never responds to us. Dude, you guys do not know how ridiculous, like how many DMs I get. Like it is so bad to the point where I just stop responding unless it's like a very easy one. Sometimes people ask me like straight up just like a whole essay. I'm sorry, very, very sorry. So that's why I don't respond to some DMs, because I get way too many. It's too hard to keep up with. But thank you very much to John Dominguez. He sent me out, he actually just DM'd me. And it's like, hey, do you need this? Oh my God, bro. All right, yo, John, you the man. Okay, first off is, he sent me this. You guys know this is where I am running my harness, so I just gotta trim this and run the original, or the raw wire harness and everything. It goes down there. So he gave me that. So thank you very much, John. And dude, he gave me the AC plug. He's gotta clean it up, but the AC firewall plug. Dude, John, dude, yo, bro. If I find your Instagram, I will post it right. Post it. I'm just gonna dig through my Instagram DMs and see if I can find you. But thank you very much, brother. Like, you do not know how handy these are gonna be. But we're not gonna be doing that today. But thank you very much, John Dominguez. But alright, I'm just gonna clean this. I'm just clean all that. You guys don't need to see that. I'm just gonna use some brake cleaner and scrub away here. Oh damn, bro. But yeah, very, very excited on doing this case swap. Oh yeah, and also I didn't mention this transmission, all synchros, all the gears, 1st through 6th gear, is all replaced with brand new OEM synchros. This is rebuilt by Ghostworks up in LA. He does really good work. And also it has the M Factory LSD. I think it's almost like a 2-way or something. So when you do turn, like when you're going slow and you turn, it is gonna be clicking because of the LSD. So this thing is gonna hook and shit, because John actually driven this motor, especially at the track, and he says it feels amazing. So very excited to have this shit running. But for now, just get to cleaning. Some time has passed and I decided to take off the half shaft and the little oil filter shield or whatever to clean up more of it. It's not the best. There's still like little things like here and there. I need a brush to get all that, so I might go run to the store and get a brush. But I did clean up this side too, because this had an axle grease also, but it wasn't as bad. And and one thing is, how you could tell if your transmission has LSD is that now you guys can see right through it. Now there's different types of LSDs where there's a smaller hole, not the same, but this one has a giant hole, and this has a M Factory LSD in it. So that's one way you guys can actually check to see if your car has LSD or the transmission. And also, of course, if you lift the car and spin the wheels and spin in the same direction. But I think, yeah, I'm just gonna run to the store. I still need to clean the axle shield. The outside I cleaned it, but the inside is kind of kicked on, so I need to clean that real quick. And then, yeah, I should be good from there. And I gotta start ordering parts for this, small things. And yeah, we're gonna be running a K20 shifter or hybrid racing, whichever one he wants to run. But we're like, my brother, he's not that smart in like doing swaps or anything, so I'm pretty much learning as I go, same how I did my V-Series swap. So I'm pretty much like feeding him like, you should get this or that, but I want him to decide also. So yeah, I'm really excited to actually see that in the car. Like, goddamn. And there's a giant debate on my Instagram or on YouTube comments too. They're like, you know, honestly, once your brother goes K, it's gonna make you want to go K also. Now, it might make me want to go K, but I would not do a K in this car. This car, I want to strictly aero. Now, well, not really aero specific, but I just want stuff that's only like for the car, as in like a B-Series is what this hatch should have. I don't want to put a K swap in. It doesn't look right to me. I don't like the shape. I don't like the, it just looks like a giant lump of potatoes on like one side. I just don't like it, like the K swap. Power wise, I like the power. I've driven a K swap before, the power is there. But it's like, I mainly just cruise my car, well mainly this car, so just, I don't need anything, you know? Just like the B-Series swap, I put so much money into it, and I love it. I just love how the B-Series look. It's classy, you know, it's classic. These don't need a K to have a nice engine bay. And I think clean up a K in engine bay is a lot harder too. And it's more expensive too, doing a K swap. But you know what? We're gonna do the K-swap metal buzz car. I wanna make it look nice, okay? Yeah, stay tuned for more K-series content, because I know you guys want K-series content. And we're gonna be working on this a lot more too. I still have shit to do. Yada yada yada, you know what I'm saying? And thank you very much, man. I can't wait to clean this up and put it in the car, especially this one. This one will guide, make it look a lot nicer. Very sorry for all the recent videos that have been just like scattered around, but I kind of want to keep it into like parts and stuff. Like if it's K-series stuff, then we'll keep it K-series and yada yada yada. But here's the update on the K-series. Now we have this is the original valve cover that was supposed to come with it, and it already does have 2-10 bungs welded on it, since we are planning on running a cash can setup on this motor. And yeah, it's been sitting here, just still waiting for parts and everything, waiting for the mounts, fuel lines and all that, so we get all ready to go. But also, if you guys aren't following my Instagram, I do post up a lot of updates on my Instagram compared to here. I did get new wheels, and yeah, so check it out. You guys will probably be like, oh, those are RPF ones. They look very similar to RPF ones, but these are actually the Osaka JDM Loop 6 wheels. And I don't know if you guys see that, it says Osaka JDM right there, Loop 6 twin, and then made in Japan down here. I really like how they put the stamps on the outside of the wheel. Damn, that looks nice. I like them a lot. And I'm not personally a big fan of black wheels on my car, but I guess I could deal with it. And they clear the spoon calipers too. And the tires are on it are 205/50/15s. They're a lot smaller than those balloon tires over there. And it's cool because these wheels actually came out from Kaz's car when he was building a EG hatch over here in Japan. I mean, over here in California, to race at the VTEC Club Autumn Festival. I think it was 2 years ago, or yeah, 2 years ago, or a year and a half ago. And these are the wheels that he brought over from Japan to put on his EG to race over here at VTEC Club. So these specs are 15x7 plus 25. These are actually not, I think, US specs, or like sold in the US, because the ones that JHP sells, which I think JHP is the only one that sells these wheels, because Kaz is a distributor, or JHP is a distributor for Osaka JDM wheels or parts. These are 15x7 plus 25, and JHP sells the 15x8 plus 35. But the 15x7, they sit pretty damn good, even though these tires are smaller. So if I was supposed to run those 225/50s off my T's on these, they will sit exactly the same as my T's. And another update, you can see that I did put the spoon end one on. It's a lot louder. And I do still have the T37s on this side. Picked this up from Neil. Thank you very much, Neil. It is a Yonaka muffler, but I'm just using the piping for my Osaka JDM muffler to get welded. And yeah, it's pretty much brand new. I'm just gonna cut it though. Here's the other two Osaka JDM wheels. And they did come with R compound tires, R888R, Toyo Proxy R888Rs. And I am running Toyo R888s. These are the older ones than these. These are pretty much like the new releases of the R888s. So those specs, or those tires, you can't get anymore. And these are the new ones that you can buy now, R888Rs. Pattern is super different though. And these ones are just pretty much directional. And well, those are directional too. And did pick up a Spoon Sports Gen 1 street muffler from HMO, and we'll talk about that later. But yeah, it's current update on the car, or whatever. I'm gonna be taking these off and putting the T37s back on. Damn. Yeah, doesn't hurt to have spare wheels, guys. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and time to eat. Kinda hungry. Peace out, guys. Don't sell this, just keep building, and stay tuned for all of this. Yeah, upcoming stuff. So, especially this motor right here.